Question 11. If the sum of the first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, what is the first term, that is S1? What is the sum of the first two terms? What's the second term? Similarly, find the third, 10th and the nth term. It's given that sum of the first n terms is 4n minus n square. So first term, that is S1, equals to 4 into 1 minus 1 square, that is 4 minus 1 equals to 3. So first term is 3. Next one, we are asked to find what is the sum of the first two terms. Sum of the first two terms will be 4 into 2 minus 2 square. After putting 2 over there, we will get as 2. So 4 into 2, 8, 2 to 4. 8 minus 4 equals to 4. Since we know that this is the general form of AP, where A is the first term, A plus T is the second term. And sum of the first two terms will be S2 equals to 2A plus T, and sum of the only first term, that is S1 equals to A. Now S2 minus S1 equals to 2A plus T minus A, that is A plus T. This is the second term. So A2 will be S2 minus S1. To find second term, we will have S2 minus S1. S2 will be, S2 is 4 and S1 is 3. So second term is 1. For finding third, 10th and the nth term, we need to find the common difference first of all. So common difference is the difference between any consecutive terms. So D will be A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2. Now third term will be A plus 2D equals to A is 3 and D is minus 2. So third term will be minus 1. Similarly, 10th term will be A plus 9D, that is 3 plus 9 into minus 2. 3 minus 18 equals to minus 15. Similarly, nth term will be A plus n minus 1 into D, that is A equals to 3 and D equals to minus 2. Minus 2 into n, minus 2n, minus 1 into minus 2 equals to plus 2. So 3 plus 2 equals to 5 plus minus minus 2n. So nth term is 5 minus 2n. So we have first term is 3, sum of the first two terms 4, second term equals to 1, third term equals to minus 1, 10th term equals to minus 15 and first n terms equals to 5 minus 2n. Question number 12. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Now these are the numbers that are divisible by 6. It forms an AP with first term 6 and common difference also 6. We are asked to find the sum of the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. So as 40 equals to n upon 2, here n is 40, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now 40 upon 2 equals to 20, 2 into 6 12, 39 into 6 equals to 234, 234 plus 12 equals to 246 and 246 into 20 is equals to 4920. So sum of the first 40 positive integers that are divisible by 6 is 4920. Question number 13. Find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. The multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on. These are in AP with A equals to 8 and D equals to 16 minus 8, that is 8. We need to find the sum of the first 15 multiples of 8. Since we know that sum of n terms of an AP is n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 15, a equals to 8, 15 minus 1 equals to 14 and d also equals to 8. 2 into 8 equals to 16, 14 into 8 112, 16 plus 112 equals to 128. 128 upon 2 equals to 64, and 15 into 64 is 960. So sum of the first 15 multiples of 8 are 960. Question number 14. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Now the odd numbers between 0 and 50 are 1, 3, 5, 7 and up to 49. Clearly it forms an AP with first term 1, common difference 2 and last term 49. We are asked to find the sum. So for that we need n. We need to find how many terms are there. Now from the nth term formula we will have a plus n minus 1 into d. Here a is 1, d is 2. 49 minus 1 upon 2 equals to n minus 1. So here 49 minus 1 is 48 and 48 upon 2 is 24. From here n will be 24 plus 1, that is 25. It means total number of terms are 25. Now the sum of the first 25 terms of a given AP will be n upon 2 into a plus an, that is 25 upon 2 into 49 plus 1, 50. 50 upon 2 equals to 25 and 25 into 25 will be 625. So sum of the first 25 terms of a given AP is 625. That is sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50 is 625. Question number 15. A contract on construction job specifies a penalty for delay of completion beyond a certain date as follows. Rupees 200 for the first day, rupees 250 for the second day, rupees 300 for the third day, etc. The penalty for each succeeding day being rupees 50 more than the preceding day. How much money the contractor has to pay as penalty if he has delayed the work by 30 days? In short, it forms an AP with first term 200, second term 250 and third term 300, where first term is 200 and common difference is 50. We are asked to find the total amount of money he had to pay if he delayed the work by 30 days. So now as 30 equals to n upon 2, that is 30 upon 2 into 2a, that is 2 into 200 plus n minus 1, 29 into d, 50. 30 upon 2 equals to 15, 2 into 200 equals to 400, 29 into 50 equals to 1450. Now 1450 plus 400 is equals to 1850, and 1850 into 15 equals to 27,750. So therefore a contractor has to pay rupees 27,750 as a penalty if he delayed the work by 30 days. Question number 16. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. It's given that total number of prizes are 7, so n equals to 7 and sum of all the cash prizes is 700. So Sn equals to 700. Now let the cost of first prize be A. If the cost of first prize is A, then cost of second prize will be A minus 20 and third will be A minus 40, because it's given that each prize is 20 less than its preceding one. So now it's observed that the cost of each prizes are in AP with a common difference minus 20 and cost of the first prize is A. We need to find the value of A. Now from S7 we have n upon 2, that is 7 upon 2 into 2a plus and minus 1 that is 6 into d. D equals to minus 20. 7.2 into 2a plus minus minus 6 into 20 120. After taking 2 common we have 7 into 2 a minus 60, that is 7 into a minus 60. Sum of the first 7 terms also equals to 700. After dividing by 7 on both sides we have a minus 60 equals to 100, that is a is equals to 100 plus 60 equals to 160. So cost of the first prize is rupees 160. Cost of the second prize is 20 less than the previous one, that is 140. Similarly, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh prize will cost 120, 180, 60 and rupees 40.